Miracle, come here. Here he comes. Here comes Miracle. I know where he's going. I know exactly where he's going. Right there. That's his thing to do. Isn't it, Miracle? He likes that for some reason. He does it every time. Every time. Let's see which way should we go today. He's going another way. Miracle. Hey, baby, where are we going? Come on. Come on, let's go this way. Let's see which way he chooses to take me today. Oh, he's going to just take me to the ground. And she's going to lay down and rest. Hi, Miracle. Okay. That's all he wants to do. You don't want to get up and walk. It's already warm, so I understand. I understand completely. It'll be cooler weather eventually, someday. Someday. Not anytime soon. Oh, it's break time again. You don't get up? You want to get up? Miracle? Miracle. Okay. That's all you want to do. That's fine. That's fine, too.